Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee and only want brand new custom construction? Today we're looking at an absolute stunner in Green Hills. Let's go check it out. All right, so I'm back in Green Hills. It seems like every awesome new construction ends up being in Green Hills, but maybe it's just because I love this area so much. And the values are here, so you can build a home and sell it for 3, 4, 5 million and get that if you do it right. So today we're looking again in Green Hills. I've done videos on Green Hills before, but if this is the first time to my channel, then you might not know this. Green Hills is just south of Nashville. You're still in Davidson County, and you're very close to getting to downtown Broadway, to 12 South, all those other places that you probably want to go. You have easy access from this area, and of course Green Hills has the Green Hills Mall. You have all the shopping, all the restaurants that you need in those areas. So just a great location and very desirable location, which is why the prices are what they are. So that's Green Hills. And this is the first time to my channel. I am Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We are out here every single week looking for unique, custom, new properties for people just like you. So hit that subscribe button if you like our content, the bell notification so you can stay ahead of what's happening in the Nashville market. It's a fun place to be. I freaking love Nashville. If you're thinking about moving here, you should definitely do it. So let's check out some of the specs of this house. This one is, you're on an acre lot and you have 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 half baths, 5,600 square feet. And I like the style of this one. It almost looks like it's a one level home. It's definitely like that, has that ranch style, flat lot, and just a beautifully built home. Attention to detail on this one, you will definitely notice. I love it. This one was a fun one to shoot. The owner's suite bathroom, stay until you at least see that. The walk-through shower, you have a separate sinks on each side of the shower. It's pretty cool. I've never seen that done before. And then of course the screen and porch in the back, and then you have some outdoor space back there as well. It's just a perfect home. I hope you enjoy it. And before we go in, I'm going to put my number and email here below. Book a one-on-one consultation with me and my team. I would love to help you make a smooth transition from wherever you are in the world right here to Nashville, Tennessee. We do it all the time, and we're doing these videos just for you, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's go check this house out. Comment below, let me know your favorite part about this home. For me, of course, I'm in the screened-in porch. Always end here if I can. One of my favorite places. It's very peaceful back here in this backyard. You do have some development behind you here, but you know, they kept a lot of the big trees, and so it's just very peaceful. All of it. They have the big grill out here as well. The style of this house, it's almost looks like a ranch with on just one level, but you have obviously upstairs. It doesn't connect. I don't know if you noticed that, but it doesn't connect the stairs upstairs. So you have a bonus area on one side of the house with a bathroom, and then on the other side with the stairs, you have those other bedrooms that are upstairs. So pretty cool. The office, I love, and I love that they have a full bathroom with shower in the office. A nice added touch, and that's, you know, if you're working, it's nice to have that right there. But just the attention to details in this home are beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to hear what you think about it. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping you find your next home here in Nashville, Tennessee. So I can't wait to hear from you, and I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.